Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the tablet preview for your apps and websites you create on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. So head over to your app project here on Lovable AI. I will go with this one here, and here at the top, guys, you will see, let me just close the visual editing tab. Here at the top you will see the preview button, which is basically for websites or on computers, for example. But you can choose or check another view, for example, for your app by clicking into this small button here, Show Tablet Preview, next to that slash text field here, and navigate through these three options. We got web, and we got tablet, and also mobile or smartphone. And that's it. That's how you do it. That's how my application would look like on a tablet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.